Welcome to the TurningPoint Systems Learning Center. This tutorial will cover the basics of using the QWIKPoint ERP to receive products from vendors and have it entered into your available inventory. If you've not already done so, I suggest that you see the QWIKPoint overview video. Okay, let's get going. First, sign in to your ERP. Products can be received from a vendor into your available inventory in two ways. The procedure is different if you're receiving a delivery for which you did not create a purchase order at the time of the order, or if you are receiving inventory against a PO. First, we'll receive products from a bill that came with the shipment for which there was no PO generated at the time of the order. In that case, go to the vendor, enter purchase orders. Next, we select a vendor and create a new purchase order. In this case, I'm going to use the quick entry order. Enter the item number, quantity, and add to the order. And I'll do this for all the items in this. We'll add that to the PO. Now I'll check the PO that I just created, make sure that I entered everything properly, my quantity is correct, and we check the pricing in my system versus the pricing. Now, if it's all correct, what I'll do is I will choose the Receive Now button. You use the Receive Now box specifically for entering products from a bill for which there was no PO generated at the time of the order, and then I submit. And that's it. Next, for the second case, if we're receiving a delivery for which we created a PO at the time of the order, we go to the Warehouse tab and select Receiving. Select a vendor, select the PO, and then we check the PO versus the items that are received. We check each one of the quantities. If everything's correct, fine. If there are any changes to make, we can make them now. For example, one of the Blistex tubes was crushed during shipping, so I'm going to change the quantity received to 4. And I'm going to put a note at the bottom saying that one Blistex tube was crushed during shipping. You may notice that there are two blue indicators here. They've been color-coded. Items can be color-coded in the Item Edit screen for a variety of uses. In this case, it indicates that these items should be put away in the cooler upon delivery. So I've checked the PO, and I merely receive it. It says that I'm ready to go, and now it has just been received into interview. Now, if I use a warehouse zone and slot system, I'd go to the zone items, and then I'd go to the zone that I want to put away the items first. In this case, I'm going to start in the cooler, and then I begin to put away the items. I'll just do a search by item, and if I don't see them right away, and I'll put them in the correct slot. And I'll continue until all the items are put in their proper slots. Once put away is done, go back to receiving. I'll pick a vendor. And I see the core mark right here. I'll pick the PDF. And with that, I can print a received document that I can print for my records. And that's it. You've just finished receiving products into inventory. Sign out of the system when you're finished. That concludes the tutorial on receiving products into inventory. To learn more about the system or see how to use the specific QWIKPoint features, visit the TurningPoint System Learning Center. And thanks for watching.